Hello everyone, today we'll take our first lesson of CSS. The plan will be to define what CSS is, and then we will go ahead and implement. So what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and they help us add some style to our website. The extension for these files is .css. We're going to go straight into the implementation and try to add some styles to our web page. Let's go into Notepad++, and what we will be doing today is adding a background color, some font color, font size, width and height. Let's see how our website look. Here we go. We have a title, Night Climb Latest News, and then we have a small paragraph. Let's try to give some color to our header. This is done through adding style is equal to. Okay, so now we need the color, so we'll just write color, and we can choose any color we want. Let's add color red, for example. Ctrl S to save as usual. Now if we refresh, we see that the title is all in red now. Let's try this again and add blue paragraph color. So we can type in here blue, Ctrl S to save, and if we refresh, the paragraph is in blue. This is for the color. Now let's try to add some background color to the div. So let's see this style, background color, and let's make it yellow. Now we can see that we have a yellow background. This is the div. Let's try to add some different font size to the paragraph. So in order to add multiple attributes of the style, multiple attributes and values of the style, we have to separate them by a semicolon, like this, and then we will add font size, font dash size, and let's make it 30 pixels, and beware to have the pixel right next to the number of the pixels, otherwise it won't work. So let's save and refresh. We can see that the paragraph grew up in size. 30 is a bit too much, so let's add 20 pixels. And here you go, this is better. Let's say we added a space in here just to demonstrate that it will not work. It will go back to default. So be aware to not leave any space between the number and the pixels. Okay, now let's try to add this width and height to the div. Let's write width. And here we have to give it a number, then pixels. So let's try 100 pixel in width. Ctrl S to save, and let's see what happens. So we see that the width is now just 100 pixel. From here to here there's 100 pixel. We need it a bit more larger. Let's make it larger, 400 pixel for example. Refresh. This is better now. As for the height, we can also control the height. Let's give it a height of, let's say, 600 pixels. And then let's refresh. We can see that it got 600 pixel of width. Let's make it 300. Sounds better. Okay. So this is all for today's lesson. We learned just the tip of the iceberg on how to add style to our website. However, this is not the only way, and usually it is not the best way to do this. This is called inline style because it goes within the tag of our HTML element, and there's better ways to do this through ID class, which is external CSS style sheet. and we will see those in the next lesson. So thank you for watching. Stay updated, like, comment, subscribe, leave your comments and reviews, and join our community. And if you like our videos and want to support us, please go to our Patreon. We will be more than happy to have you in our Discord channel. All the link will be provided in the description. See you in the next lesson.